Uncovering stashes of Emirati weapons. What's happening in Sudan? Africa's arms dump, the forgotten atrocity, 12 million displaced, 25 million in need of humanitarian assistance, and 60,000 dead. It's the late 1800s and the British colonised Sudan. London gives preferential treatment to the north over the south. Muslims were given influence in the north, and in the south, Christian missionaries and local tribes dominated. The inevitable north and south divide, coupled with the US and Russia pumping billions into the military during the Cold War, leads to endless coups, bringing us to 2019. Omar Bashir is ousted in a coup after decades of authoritarian rule, and thus commences the power struggles between two of Sudan's most powerful warlords. Hemeti under the RSF, the largest militia in the country, and Burhan under the SAF, Sudan's official army. The RSF militia are backed by the UAE, Russia, China, and even Saudi Arabia, given the fact that the RSF effectively dominates Sudan's oil and gold reserves. RSF mercenaries were even sent to Yemen, working on behalf of Saudi and the UAE. The SAF are backed by Egypt and allegedly along with America and its allies. Both sides have ravaged Sudan with death and destruction. The UAE-backed RSF militias have taken part in mass rapes in which women would end themselves to escape such abuse. Meanwhile, the Sudanese army, making use of its air force, have bombed indiscriminately. As of January 2025, the Sudanese army has liberated Wad Madani from the UAE-backed RSF militias, uncovering stashes of Emirati weapons in the process. Celebrations took to the streets because for many, the Sudanese army, while brutal in its path, is the lesser of two evils.